Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Life and Spice with Gift. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare this sumptuous pot of jollof rice. Let's get right into it. So I'll start by steaming my meat. I'm adding salt, pepper, curry, seasoning, and my all-purpose spice. And then I'll leave that to cook for about 15 minutes until the meat becomes all soft and tender. I'll add a little water to my pot. Next, I'll go right ahead to prepare my pepper mix. My pepper mix consists of my teteshe shombo, my fresh tomato, garlic, and onions. Okay, so I'll fry that, and then over to my meat. I'll separate my meat stock from my actual meat, and I'll fry my meat. Okay, so my pepper mix is ready, and I'm blending it. Now we'll start with the frying process. So I'm adding my groundnut oil to the pot, adding a little bit of salt, and then I've added my pepper mix. I'll stir that for a little while. Not for a little while, actually, for up to like, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. And this should be done under low heat so your pepper mix doesn't get burnt. Okay. So next you're going to add your tin tomato and you're going to stir everything up to help everything mix together properly. So we're going to stir and mix up both the pepper mix and the tin tomato. Allow that to cook for a while and we'll stir. At this point, you start perceiving that jollof fragrance, that sweet tomato fragrance. Okay, then you add your meat stock, you add your curry seasoning and every other kind of spice you might have and want to add, and you can also add your bay leaves if you have. Okay, you stir and keep stirring. We don't want this getting burnt. Okay, and then we'll cover our pot. We'll leave that to cook for approximately 5 to 10 minutes as well, and then I'm going to add my hot water. So please guys, always use hot water that has been boiled already. Okay, it will help you skip the cooking part of the rice. Okay, so the water I put in there has been boiled already, so it's hot water. And then you can now introduce your rice into the pot, stir everything up, cover the pot and allow it to cook under low heat, guys, under low heat. Okay, so at this point I'm checking up on my rice. I can see the rice has started burning, so I'm going to create a space under for the water to go down to the base of the pot. Okay, and still allow it to cook because it has to be there until everything dries up. All the water has to dry up, and then after about 5 minutes you can see that my water is completely dried up. I'm adding a little butter to give it that shine, and I'm adding some of my meat that I already fried. Okay, and then there we go, our jollof rice is ready. This rice tastes yummy. So guys, thanks so much for watching to the end of the video. Please do well to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. The jollof rice is actually easy to prepare, as you can see. And so guys, thanks so much for watching to the end of the video. See you in our next delicious episode of Life and Spice with Gift. Bye for now.